Hey guys, this is Bert from Inside Outline and welcome back to another Cricut video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make these Dollar Tree back to school crafts. So let's jump right in. So many of the designs that I'll be using are right here in Cricut Design Space. So what I'll do is to go over to images and then I am going to search for the images that I want. So the first one is Hello Gorgeous. And I spelled that incorrectly. And then I'll click the free filter. And this is the design that I want to use. The next one is Believe in Yourself. And this is the design. The next one is Be Kind. And I think it's this first one. Yeah, I want that one. And then the last one, I'm going to show you how to recreate. So what I'll do is to click Add to Canvas. And for right now, I'm just going to change the color of all of these designs to black. Some of them I am going to use holographic vinyl, and then for others, I am going to use some glitter vinyl, and I'll also use some glitter HTV as well. So for this Be Kind design, I want that to be 5 inches wide to fit my portfolio folder. For this one, I want this to be about 5 inches also. For the Believe in Yourself, I want this to be 4 inches. And now I am going to show you how I create my split monogram, and then I'm also going to add some text for Ayla's name. So I'll just click on the text tool and click on the all caps or the caps lock button on my keyboard and type Ayla. And then I want to use a font that is a little bit bolder. So let me pull this down and I'm going to turn off my kern, then click filter and then choose free because I only want to see the free the free fonts. And I'm going to look for a font. I think I like this one, the Trade Gothic Display. I think I like that font. I don't like how close the L and the A are, so I'm going to ungroup and I'm going to move this over just a little bit. Okay, so then I will weld this together. And I think I want this to be about 2.5 inches. And I'm going to make a duplicate. And I know for sure that I want both of these to be holographic. So I'll just choose this pink or this purple color to let me know that this will be holographic. So I'll move that over. So now I will show you how to pull in the split monogram. So what I'll do is to hop over to Google Chrome and type in split monogram A, and then click on images. And then I will search for a split monogram that I like and that has a white background that I can basically trace over in Cricut Design Space. So I'm still looking for one that I like. I think I like this one. So what I'll do is to right click on it and click Save Image As, and then find the folder that you want or where you want to save it, and then click Save. And then go back over to Cricut Design Space and click Upload, Upload Image, Browse. And then you want to find that image that you just downloaded. Click on it and then click Open. For this, I'm going to click Simple and then I will click Continue. Then I will just select all of the gray spots just to delete those out. And you may need to zoom in some. Okay, and that looks good. So then I will click Apply and Continue. And then I will click on Cut Image because I do want to cut this out, and click Upload. Click on this image and then click Add to Canvas. So this image is pretty large right now. So before I resize it, I need to click on this lock icon to lock it so that the proportion will be the way that I want it to be when I resize the design. So I will click 5 or type 5 for the width. And then I am going to type some text. I'm going to type Ayla. And I'm going to change the font to be something that's a little bit more narrow. So I'm going to click on System and search for, or just scroll down until I find Arial Narrow. And then drag this in or push it in to make it smaller so that it can fit within those two lines. And then I want to space out my letters, so I will use the letter spacing tool. And I will type in 5. And I am okay with the way that the 5 looks. So I'm going to change the color to black. And then I'm going to select the name Ayla and that letter A, and then click attach. So these are all of my designs. And what I'm going to do now is to change up some of these colors. So for Be Kind, I want that to be a holographic, the holographic vinyl as well. For this split monogram, I want that to be holographic. Also, these two, I want them to remain black. I do like this little heart bubble. So I'm going to make a duplicate of that and going to contour out. I just want this top piece right here. So I'm going to click hide all contours, and then I'm going to select that heart to make it show, and then click X. And then I'm going to minimize this a little bit. I'll do a 0.8 and then make a couple duplicates, make 3 total, or have 3 total. And then that looks the way that I want it to. So I will change all of these to be holographic as well. So all of these will go together, and these will go on my water bottle. This will go on my pencil holder cup, and these will go, the remaining of these designs will go onto my portfolio. So for my pencil pouch, I want to click the text tool and type Ayla. Gonna move this over, and I'm going to go up to font and choose system, and I'm going to search for Christmas. And the font that I'm using is called Christmas Squad, and I got it from defont.com. So I will weld this text together and make it a little bit bigger. And as you can see, there are some little slits in the text, and I do not want those. So I'm going to click the contour button, and I will click hide all contours. And then what I'm going to do is to go in and click on those middle pieces of those letters so that those will show, and then click the X button. Okay, so that looks better. So I'm going to minimize this. And I want to add some little hearts at the end of Ayla's name. So I will go over to images and search for a heart. And I'm going to scroll, and this right here is the design that I want to use. So I'll click add to canvas. And I know that I have a lot going on, but please stay with me. I'm going to move this over. So I'm going to make a duplicate and leave that right there. So for this piece, I'm going to click contour. I'm going to click hide all contours. And the only heart that's showing is this top right one, and you can tell because it's darker gray. I'm going to click on this one so it'll show, and deselect that one, and then click X. So this is the heart that is left. And then I think I want to choose this heart right here. So I'll click contour. And then I will click hide all contours. Click on this heart and then deselect this one and click X. Okay. So next, what I will do is to make these a bit smaller. Okay, and I'll make a duplicate of this one and pull it over. Change the color of all of this to this darker charcoal black. And then I want to make sure that all 3 of these are aligned on the bottom. So I will click align and then align bottom. And then I'll select all of this text and then click attach. Okay, so that is all of the designs that I'll be using for this Dollar Tree Cricut back to school project. I have my split monogram here. This design will go on my pencil cup holder. These designs here will go on my portfolio. This will go on my water bottle, and then this will go on my pencil pouch using HTV vinyl. So now I will click the make it button and make sure that everything looks the way that it should. And you can move some things around if you want to. Okay. And then I'll click the continue button. And my machine is connecting to my computer. And so for this one, I will be using some black glitter vinyl. So I'll click browse all materials and then type in glitter. And it is the frosted glitter. So I'll click on that and click done. So before I begin cutting out my designs, I'm going to show you all the materials that I will be using for this Dollar Tree back to school craft. So these are all the materials I'll be using for this project. Here I have this pencil holder and it has some little rainbows on it. I also have this water bottle that is 13.2 fluid ounces and it is BPA free. I also have this pencil pouch and this is what I will be applying the HTV to. And it has two zippers. It has this front zipper. And then you also have a top zipper. And then I also have this tri-fold portfolio and I will be putting adhesive vinyl on the front and on the inside panels of this portfolio. And then I have my vinyl, adhesive vinyl. So I have this holographic vinyl. I also have some black frosted glitter vinyl. And then I have my black glitter HTV that will go on that pencil pouch. So what I'll do now is to put my HTV or my vinyl onto my mat and cut out all the designs. Okay, so all of our designs have been cut into our vinyl. So what I'll do now is to take my weeder and start weeding out all of these designs. Okay, so I have cut out all of my, or I have weeded and cut out all of my designs and you can see them all here. So I think what I'll do first is to apply this HTV to this pencil pouch first. So I'm gonna clear off my table. And I'm going to grab my Cricut Easy Press mat also. Okay, so I'll put the name where I want it on the pencil pouch. And then I'm going to take my Teflon sheet and cover up everything and then press my design for 30 seconds. It looks like my Y or my vinyl moved down a bit. So, and it does look like my my zipper got a little burnt. So if you can move those zippers out of the way, please do that. This zipper still works, but you just want to be careful whenever you're pressing. Be sure to get those zippers out of the way. Okay, so I have my iron ready. And one more time, I'm just going to flip this around and put my Teflon sheet over the top. And take my iron and just press down firmly. Okay, I think I was able to get everything down that time. So again, just be careful if you decide to use this pencil pouch from Dollar Tree. Be careful of your zippers and be careful of this mesh right here and just the overall zipper itself. But I think that this is a really cool and neat project, and who doesn't love personalizing items, especially for back to school? So that is the first item. So I'll just move the rest of this stuff out of the way. And then I will move over to this little pencil holder. So on this one, I'm going to put Ayla's name, and I have some little heart text bubbles that I'm going to apply as well. So I will just cut out these pieces and use some transfer tape to apply them. And that was as simple as that. And there you can see we have her name on the bottle. So this one is complete. All I did was to put Ayla's name on here. Now I will take my water bottle, and first I will peel this sticker off. And then I'll use some alcohol to clean off the bottle. I keep it in this little flip top bottle that I got this from Walmart. So I will wipe my bottle down. And let it dry for a second. And while that's drying, I'm going to take my transfer tape, and I get this transfer tape from Expressions Vinyl, as you can see here. And I'm going to use the same piece of transfer tape for all of my designs. So this is what the final water bottle looks like. Obviously you can cut out more of these little emojis or the little heart text bubbles and put them all over, but that is what this looks like. The last project that I'll be showing you is this trifold portfolio, and what I'm going to do is to put the rest of these inspirational messages on the inside of this portfolio. On the outside cover, I'm going to put this monogram. So first what I'll do is to peel off this sticker. And then I'm going to take my transfer tape, lay it over my design, and just apply all of these decals to this portfolio. So this is the front of the portfolio. Now I will open it up on the inside, and then I will apply the rest of these decals. Okay, I think that looks absolutely amazing. So this is the front of the portfolio. This is the inside. And then there is a spot here for like a business card or something. And then I wanted to put another design here. Well, originally I wanted to put this Be Kind design here, and then put the Believe in Yourself design there. But because of issues with my transfer tape being too sticky or not sticky enough, I'm just gonna leave it at this. So these are all the different Dollar Tree crafts that I made for back to school. All of these things are $1.25 each, and you can see the color scheme that I have going on here. All that I used was some HTV for this pencil pouch, and then for the rest of these 3 items I just used some regular adhesive transfer or adhesive vinyl. So I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.